Hi guys, an update on this lime juice battery that I've made. We've only been running for, I don't know, 4 hours or something, maybe a little bit longer, but it's eating the magnesium strips that I put in there. That strip went right down to the bottom and was hanging out on the top. It ate what was hanging inside, and I pushed what was left in there. As you can see, it still runs, but it's really eating that magnesium. So what I'm going to do is strip down one of these ordinary AA batteries. I'm pretty sure the casing is zinc or some sort of zinc alloy, and I'm going to use that because that'll be a bit thicker, and see if that works. I managed to get a reasonable length strip out of it. I don't know what it's coated with on the inside, but I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to see if I can slide that in there where the magnesium is at the moment and see what happens. I would expect the voltage to reduce, but I still think it ought to work. Well, it's in there. And it is working at the moment. So we'll see how long that goes on for. I'm quite amazed how quickly it's gone through the magnesium strip, and see how clean it is. The bit that was in the liquid compared to the bit that was sticking out. That is scrubbed clean. Anyway, we'll see what happens. So I expect it to be less voltage because it's a different metal. We were up around 1.8 volts with the magnesium. Yeah. 0.8, we've lost a whole volt. I'm surprised it's still running at all. Yeah, we've lost a whole volt. So from 1.8 we're down to 0.8, which is why his arm's only doing half a swing, not doing the full kick. But it is still running. So we'll see what it's like in the morning. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.